at Julian, California, at North Peak, overlooking Lake Cuyamaca. And this is our rental property, vacation rental property, called a living canvas. And if you look out around here, you can see all the way to the west and see the ocean, and also overlooking the lake behind me, which has, I'd say, a different view almost every day. From the clouds blowing right in front of the house, where you can almost reach out and touch them, to the sunsets that in the evening you can look out over the ocean and see the sun go down over the horizon, to the morning looking toward Julian and seeing the beautiful sunrise. Our house is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, and we can host up to 14 people. And it's a very open floor plan, a nice large kitchen. From the kitchen you can look out over the lake and you can see to the ocean. It's just amazing. You lay on your back out here and you look up at the sky, and that's also part of the living canvas, is the beautiful scene up in the sky at night. Last week we saw a bald eagle flying by in front of the house here, just soaring in the wind. Just an amazing sight from the house here. There's also a lot of deer that will frequent the area, and wild turkey. So it's really varied. At nighttime, there's a lot of foxes that come through the property here, which is really rare to see, but you'll see them here because of the food chain here with all the different squirrels and turkeys and chipmunks, and then of course the birds. Our website is juliancabin.com, and we offer our property for rent through our website and also through Airbnb and VRBO. So if you're interested in renting our house, again, that site is www.juliancabin.com.